This tutorial will review the structural hierarchy of key data elements within version 2.0 of the Alliant product suite. Pictured is a diagram of the 2.0 hierarchy. At first glance it may appear complex. The goal of this tutorial, however, will be to provide a simple explanation of the design, explaining not only the hierarchy, but the thinking behind it. The majority of what we'll review has been developed to add substantial system flexibility while maintaining simplicity and ease of use for the end user. Let's get started by reviewing the enterprise level. The term enterprise is used to define the highest level of an organizational entity. Enterprise level functionality permits consolidated data reporting across multiple branches. The term branch is used to define single or multiple entities responsible for production and delivery of goods and services. Many users of the Alliant software will have only a single branch, while other users may have multiple branches. Each of these entities will be established as a branch in the Alliant software underneath the enterprise level within the hierarchy. Branch settings are established in the Enterprise Manager screen from the Business menu. Also established at the enterprise level is the Enterprise SKU Catalog. The Enterprise SKU Catalog is used to define all available SKUs served by the enterprise. Enterprise-level business rules and pricing policies are established here, with the flexibility of allowing or disallowing change at lower levels. Routes are set up at the branch level. Each branch can have an unlimited number of routes. If you have a single branch, your hierarchy may look like this. If you have multiple branches, your hierarchy may look like this. The Route Day designator adds additional functionality to the hierarchy. While all customers are assigned to a route, multiple stop-a-week customers may be delivered on different route day combinations. For example, a customer may receive their Tuesday delivery by Route 2, but receive their Friday delivery by Route 4. Adding the route day into the hierarchy provides the functionality to accommodate this common practice. Now let's review how accounts and customers fit into the hierarchy. The term account is used to define an entity engaging in business transactions with the enterprise. The account level is significant, as today's business climate dictates the need to meet the terms and conditions of contractual agreements with the customer. For each account, a billing template is automatically created. If the addresses of the account and billing levels are the same, then the billing address will simply default to the account address. However, the design of the hierarchy allows for multiple billing templates to be established. For example, let's say the account has 6 different customers or delivery locations. The account may request, for a number of reasons, that some of the customers be consolidated for billing purposes and their statements should be delivered to a central payment processing center, which is located at an address different than the account's corporate office, while statements for the other 3 customers or delivery locations be delivered directly to the delivery address for approval by a contact at the local delivery location. The ability to have multiple billing templates provides a significant amount of system flexibility while retaining powerful reporting capabilities across all delivery locations. Adding a new billing template and/or changing the billing template for each customer or delivery location is simple. From the Account screen, select Billing Options. A drop-down menu lists all the current billing templates for the account. To add a new template, simply enter a new template name, a new template address, and select the specific billing options and press Save. A new billing template has been now added. Now this billing template will be available to select for each customer from the Customer Entry screen. Once the account template and the billing template have been established, the account catalog can also be established. Just as SKUs must be added to the enterprise catalog before they may be added to the account catalog, establishing the account catalog is a prerequisite to establishing the customer catalog. The account catalog is populated by selecting SKUs from the Enterprise Catalog. When entering the account catalog screen, all items established in the enterprise catalog will display in the window on the left side of the screen. SKUs are added to the account catalog by selecting them and moving them to the right side of the screen. Multiple SKUs may be selected at once by using the Control key. Defaults for each SKU, such as rental prices, direct sale prices, replacement prices, default price types, and minimum usage requirements, will be populated from the enterprise level, but may be overridden when adding to the account catalog. At the account level, an account locking option may be turned on or off. If account locking is not enabled, then certain options for SKUs at the customer level, such as the unit price and price type, can be changed for each delivery location. However, if an account locking is turned on, users will not be able to change the price type and/or price of an item. It can only be changed by those users that can access the account level catalog. A further benefit of account locking is that it allows account level price changes to be made with one entry. Upon changing the price of an item in the account catalog, all pricing for that item will automatically be updated for all delivery locations within an account. Now let's take a closer look at the customer level. Once the account catalog has been established, SKUs, or items, may now be set up at the customer level. The customer catalog will only display the items established in the account catalog. SKUs may be removed from the customer catalog if it's determined that a particular delivery location doesn't require specific SKUs from the account catalog. For example, one delivery location for an account may not have use for a logo mat, and it can be removed from the customer catalog. However, if the item is ever needed in the future, it can be added back at that time, while maintaining the correct pricing. Items that are not personalized, such as flat goods, mats, mops, etc., are referred to as customer SKUs, or customer items. Items that are personalized and assigned to a specific wearer are referred to as wearer SKUs, or wearer items. Regardless of the type of item being set up at the customer level, the user selects only from the items that have been established at the account catalog. Defaults established at the account catalog, such as pricing, price types, and minimums, automatically populate for the user. For locked accounts, these fields not only populate, but they can't be edited, unless done so by a user that has access to the account catalog. The concept of the enterprise account and customer catalog is a key feature of the Alliant system. It helps ensure contract terms are enforced and reduces common data entry errors that lead to entry of incorrect pricing and the setting up of duplicate SKUs in the system. One tip to note, sometimes the user that establishes the account and customer catalogs is the same person. If that user is in the customer item screen and wants to add a new item to the customer catalog, they would need to exit the customer item screen, add the new item into the account catalog, and then return to the customer item screen. A shortcut has been added to the customer item screen. If the user has the required security settings to access the account catalog, a new item button will be available from the customer item screen, and the user can introduce a new item to the customer catalog. Doing so not only adds the SKU to the customer catalog, but pushes the SKU up to the account catalog and establishes the pricing and price type entered as the account catalog default for the new item. So the correct pricing and price types are enforced if the item is added to another customer by another user later. This concludes the tutorial on the hierarchy of the Alliant 2.0 product suite.